In this video, I'll show you how to put an image behind a text in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to the section wherein it has your image as well as your text box. On this section, I have an image on the left-hand side and a text box on the right-hand side. Now, in order for you to put an image behind a text box, there are two ways to do this. The first way is to head over to your text box, and from here, you want to simply hold the text and drag it on top of the image. The second way is to hold an image and place it directly on the text box. Now, let's say on an instance, when you do that, it will automatically hide the text box. What you can do is simply click on the image, and at the top, you will see these two squares, and you can send this backward. What you could also do to move the image backward is hold Shift and an arrow down, and once you do that, you will automatically see the text box. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.